and job opportunities in electrical and lighting design for all the free final year as well as final year students of electrical and electronics engineering students. So I strongly advise all the students to give a very close attention, take note. Now I invite the department of EEE department to emphasize on the importance of today's webinar to its students and also to invite our respected principal sir, Dr. Hemadari Naidu, to deliver the welcome address. Thank you. And now I request Dr. Angaraja sir to address his students. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor. Good morning to all, respected Principal Sir. Today's resource person, Mr. Asif, MEP Engineer, and our beloved TPO, Professor Somsekhar, and my colleagues and dear students. At the outset, I would like to thank Mr. Asif, MEP Engineer, for accepting our invitation and conducting this webinar for our students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I thank Professor Somsekhar for organizing this webinar for our students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, today's webinar is the need of the hour for our electrical students because those who are interested in core companies, it's a very good opportunity for you people. Like a job profile like electrical design engineer, site engineers, lighting design engineer, maintenance engineer, procurement engineer. These engineers can work in companies like ABB, Siemens, Bemmel, KPTCL, BEL, chemical industries, and automobile industries, in particular electrical vehicles, and oil and gas companies, General Electric, cement companies, fertilizer companies, and list goes on. So once you gain opportunity in this field, there is a lot of demand in foreign countries also. So please make use of this opportunity and please do interact with the resource person and get benefit out of this program. So now I request our beloved principal to give welcome address. Sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Very good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
On behalf of the Honorable President, Vice President, and Secretary of Don Bosco Group of Institutions, I welcome all of you on board. And I thank the TPO of DBIT, Professor Somsekhar, for making the arrangements for this webinar in order to bring the awareness to our existing students. And I extend my thanks to Mr. Asif.
Thank you,
sir. And he's a person having a live experience, and he is here today with us to bring the awareness and opportunities for the existing students. So in this critical situation, so maybe an electrical engineer or mechanical engineer, or including civil engineers also, we have a lot of opportunities. Only thing is we should guide them in a proper way and we should make them to choose a particular field. So for that, Mr. Asif, MEP engineer from Preston Smart Engineers in New Delhi, and he is a founder for Preston Smart Engineers. And thank you, Mr. Asif, and for your valuable time going to spend with our existing students to show the path and to bring the awareness about the opportunities available for electrical engineers. And I hope yesterday also it was very useful for our mechanical students. So similarly, so we can arrange for civil also. So
yes, sir.
In this at this juncture, so I would like to welcome all my student friends for their patience, interest showing in attending this webinar. I sincerely request all the student friends to utilize this type of opportunities or webinars very sincerely, and this is the right time for every student to enhance their skills at particular field, and they can choose in which field that they want to pursue that field. The latest updates that they can update themselves by attending these types of seminars. I hope this seminar will brings a lot of awareness to our participants. I welcome all on board for this webinar. Once again, I welcome all the participants and speakers on board. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Thank you.
message, sir.
Thank you, Principal Sir, for your kind and motivational words as well as for your insights. Now, I request the resource person, Mr. Asif Khan from Princeton Smart Engineers, to start the session.
Thank you so much, Principal Sir, HOD Sir, and Placement Officer Somashekar Sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Today's topic is internship opportunities in electrical design and lighting design. So before starting I would like to tell something about myself. I am electrical engineer. So in this software, you will get the option, there are n number of lights and design will be there. As per the client's requirement, you have to choose what type of lights he is asking. And I told you during the designing, that manufacturer company, he will contact you with his, the catalogs will be there. In that catalog, you can choose. You will have n number of catalog also. You can choose the number of lights, design, and price, and all the specification will be there. Here you can see the area, office area. This one, office areas. You can select the floor, which floor you want to design, which room you have to you want to design.
Ask Ajay to he'll wake and run. Okay, close the door. Close the door.
See here, these are the tube light. You can see this colorful. All are tube lights. You have to select the area, which area you are going to select. These are the tube lights. See, the preview will be like this. This kind of design you have to submit to your client. See. See, this is the design. So we have job opportunities, but unfortunately, we are not technically skilled, and we
Okay, please announce immediately after 40 minutes. Okay, so they need to reconnect with the same login credentials and rejoin the program.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Everybody will join.
Yeah.
All of you, please rejoin the session with the same meeting ID.
Yes, exactly.
See here, this kind of, in 3D view, you have to submit to your client with all the specification and with BOQ. You can Google how many lighting design companies are here in Bangalore.
Yeah, we can see your slide. Please go ahead.